the video. It's just dude, look how romantic that is. Off into the sunset. Put the fresh red Honda grips on today. Yeah. Oh, adds 5 horsepower instead of these brown ones. Look at those things. Nice. Those are disgusting. I don't know who put brown grips on a red dirt bike.
I need your grips. They're still better than mine.
Yep. Gotta love these desert views. Look at that.
Wow. So beautiful.
Episode. Say that again.
No. Stop.
Say it again.
No.
Maybe you can just do the outro.
No. This is B.W. Chandler.
B.W. Chandler?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Big Wilkie Chandler. What you thinking?
Just what to say.
Okay. You gotta mix it up a bit though. Like, you know how you have your customer service voice?
Yeah.
Like, it's the voice of, hi, how can I help you today?
Uh-huh.
Like, just pretend you're talking to me.
Make it a little bit more real.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Make it comfy. Make it like this.
Like this?
Just a combo.
That's smart. Okay, I will. Well, wait, that was a bit too much, wasn't it?
No, you can start off with like a well or
use a little bit of tonality.
Yeah, like, so that was the night. We're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna head back to the house, unload.
But just don't oversell it.
Just don't oversell it.
Don't try to sound too intelligent.
Just be like you're at home on the couch and you just want to say, I'm going home.
I'm going home.
Yep. Gonna eat some food.
Why aren't you doing this?
I don't know.
You got it figured out.
I don't know. I didn't think it was that complicated.
Apparently it's not. I've been overcomplicating it. Well, anyways, we're out here at Red Hills and there wasn't a whole lot of structure to today's video. Just practice whips and wheelies. We were going to go down to the normal jump that I practice whips on, but there was a fresh badger hole there and I needed to rebuild the jump. And don't mess around with badgers. We're gonna leave that be for a minute. So Nicole will wrap it up.
We're gonna go home and eat some food. Food. Lots of food.
Why aren't you doing the vlogs? You should. I'll handle the editing.
Yeah, just handle the
and
editing.
You do everything else.
You want me just to say what we're doing all day and
yeah.
just end it? Okay. I'll take over.
Okay.